Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a bicycle to your Uber Eats account as your delivery vehicle. So whether you're new to Uber Eats or you're switching from a different vehicle, here's how to actually set up your bicycle for deliveries. So let's dive right in. So first things first, you want to start by opening up the Uber driver app on your mobile device. Make sure you're actually signed in to your Uber account, okay? Then guys, what you want to do in the app, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then you want to scroll down and select account to access your account settings. So in the account menu, what you want to do is find and select vehicles. Okay, find and select vehicles. Here you're gonna see your current registered vehicle if you already have one. And what you want to do is tap on add vehicle or a similar option if it is available. Then you will just want to choose a bicycle as your vehicle type. Uber Eats allows bicycles as an option for deliveries in many cities, guys, okay? Then after choosing a bicycle, Uber Eats may prompt you to, complete a few steps to verify and set up the new vehicle. Be sure to fill out any information or submit documents as requested to finalize the addition, okay? And once your bicycle is added and approved, you just want to go back to vehicles and make sure that the bicycle is selected as your primary delivery method, okay? Make sure it's selected as your active delivery method. And now you're ready, guys, to start delivering with your bike. And that's it, guys. Adding a bicycle is simple and you can save a lot of fuel when and also keeping you fit. Now you're all set to deliver with your bike on Uber Eats, guys. So if this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more Uber Eats tips. Thanks for watching and happy delivering, guys. Go smash that subscribe button, guys. Come on.